Many people believe that creating whiteboard animation is either too challenging or requires expensive software, but today I'm busting that myth. In this video, I'll show you just how simple it is to create stunning whiteboard animation using Canva. So easy, it's like enjoying your favorite movie with a bag of chips. Now let's get started. So when you log into your Canva account, you're going to go to custom size. I'm going to use 14 by 9 inches. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to go to elements, and I'm going to type in Money Sketch. Okay, click on graphics. All right, and I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to use this money bag over here. I'm going to slide it to the right. I'm going to use this light bulb. Okay, and then I'm going to find an arrow. Okay, type in arrow. Okay, I'm going to use this arrow, and I'm going to shift it around, bring this up here. I am going to use a smiley face sketch. I'm going to use this right here. Click on this. I'm going to bring it down here. Okay. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is go to text, and I'm going to add, I'm going to type in turn ideas into money. Okay, and then guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it up here. I'm going to make it a little bigger. I'm going to center it. All right. Make this a little smaller. All right. Okay. The next thing, guys, I want to go back over here. I'm going to add a rocket. Some type of rocket. Okay. And I'm going to scroll down here and click on rocket. I'm going to delete this light bulb and swap it out with this one right here. And I'm going to put it right there. Okay. Okay, guys, so the next thing we want to do is go to reduce that a little bit. Okay, guys, next thing we want to do is go to share. We're going to download in PNG. Okay. Okay, we're going to open it up and bring it over here. Okay, guys, the next thing you want to do is go to apps. And we're going to type in Speed Paint. Click on it. Open it up. Click on open. Then we're going to choose our file. Click open. It's the same one we did earlier. Okay, guys, we're going to keep that on 60. We're going to keep the duration on 5S. And we're going to put the color on 3S for duration. Then we're going to scroll down. We're going to choose our hand style. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to click add fade out effect. Then I'm going to click animate image. And this may take a few seconds. Okay, so it's finalizing. And so I'm going to add a page. I'm going to bring this image down. Okay. Going to put it in the corner. And make sure it's my canvas. Okay. Next thing I want to do is hit play. And there you have it, guys. We will turn our whiteboard animation into something creative. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and turn on that notification button. Until the next time, this is Darlette.